Good morning, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. We've got a Union Pacific coming through the cutout in the Mormon Rocks. Let's enjoy. I think it's an auto rack. Well, it's more than an auto rack. Nice freight train. I think we're at milepost 469 on the Palmdale cutoff, southbound, coming from Bakersfield. We're going to head over to the BNS F tracks after this. We got a couple eastbounds and a westbound coming through. All right, a bunch of axles. Axles and wheels. All right, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, we're going to keep looking at the rocks here. They're beautiful. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends. Give us a big thumbs up. We have Patreon. Check the link in every description of every video, and you can always make a pledge. We'd love to have you on board. And we have super thanks now. So see that little heart down there? You can always flip us a little extra there if you want to keep us going. We love you guys. And we will catch you on the next one. Take care.